Doğa School started education with 100 students, and today, with 70,000 students and 101 campuses, is walking the path of success. Doğa Schools has a modern and innovative perspective in education, original education models, technological infrastructure at schools, the conceptual buildings, academic and athletic accomplishments split from its competitors. We developed a corporate HR system. With this acceleration, this year, 20,000 new students has been reached. Space and astronomy, science, Oxford, Pearson, technology, nature-based concepts, Intel, Google, Microsoft enriched our buildings and made more attractive to students. The classical education goes beyond the patterns, and that makes up the original education models. Through Doğa Schools of mobile applications, students and parents can access education data. To assess the thoughts of the parents by phone or through the internet, here are the unique education models of Doğa Schools. Children's University Kindergarten, research-based, project-based performance tasks, nature-based education model in elementary school. Nature-based education breaks down the traditional patterns of education, learning by doing, and education is life sentence defines Doğa Schools. Middle school level, SOES. Students-oriented education system. Art education, drama, ecology, creative writing, research methods, social networking, entrepreneurship, inventor studio, mind games, project preparation techniques, thinking skills education, international relations, and management science. The most privileged high school education model, TMBA. The education model developing Turkish economy. TMBA is a unique model of education, preparing students for university and life. Turkey has the only internationally accredited educational model by the World Accreditation Center (EdExcel). And when we look at our a few corporate achievements, Best Show 2013 with TMBA Most Innovative School Award, Guest Show 2013 TMBA Best Model of International Education Award, we hold the title of the first and only school lighthouse of Apple, Name of School Quality in collaboration with Oxford, Pearson College in collaboration with the World Academy, World High School Basketball, Volleyball, Handball 2009, 2013, 2014, tens of EU projects, UK Pioneer of Education Award, 2011 Idea Youth Forum Home Ownership, one Turkish school, Doğa Schools, was invited to Harvard MUN. All overall success coming from our innovative and unique educational approach.